I'm just giving my summer tires a wash because there's like a little crevice here in them and the salt just caked in there because I kind of took a while to get these off and they are filthy and I don't want the salt sitting in there all winter. So gonna wash them up and then put them away. Gonna need some new tires next year for the front ones are pretty worn down, but the rear are still perfectly fine. They're much better now. Yeah. No more salt. No more salt. Those are cool. You know, they're like $10. Gotta get some for the TLX.
What they have now is like little rubber things to at the end of the scraper to clean your car off. Instead of using the brush and the paint getting all scratched up from frozen bristles, they got that now. So we are tackling the kitchen renovation. That's why I'm slacking on the videos. Definitely need a new sink and all new countertops, new sink, and then we're gonna put some LED lights under the cupboard, and yeah, and we might paint the cabinets. We don't know yet, but anyways, so let's get at her. So this is the sink here. As you can see, it's pretty moldy. Got everything out. We put one of the new tops in. And yeah. So now, this was a pain to get out, but remove that. And we're taking that out. And we'll be good to go. Okay, so I got some mold stop paint. And we're gonna go ahead and paint all this because the sink itself, the countertop is really moldy, but this isn't too bad, but I'm just gonna paint it so it just looks better too. No more mildew. And just like working on cars, it never works out. The holes don't line up. These pipes gotta be more centered. And another thing, we gotta knock this off because they put a little ledge around for some reason. But down there they didn't. And here, there's none. So, gotta cut that, hammer it out. Broke the bit.
Broke everything, looks like. Everything.
Oh! We got the sink all in now. Now, the problem we're running into is these plumbing don't line up with the old sink. As you can see, it's pretty off, so none of us have plumbing experience, but we're gonna try to figure it out. We just have to twist this and it'll line up with this, and then we gotta cut this and pull this back. Okay, so this is our final step. Everything's connected, tap and all, but this here is just too much of an angle. We didn't know how easy plumbing was, so we tried to just get a flexible coupling and thought it was gonna straighten out and then we could connect the rest there, but so we have to cut here and get a 45 P-trap, then we can twist everything to line up perfectly. But everything's closed now. Get the backsplash going with the LED lights underneath, some new curtains, new paint. It's gonna look all right. Gotta go outside. Go pee and poop. Poor guy, he's got his torn knee and he knows what I'm talking about. Go pee and poop, go. So we gotta get knee surgery for him, and we'll probably have to do that this summer. But we're gonna have to build like a little elevator shaft, like off the side with like pulleys, and kind of just lower him down. I think just because when he's in pain, you can't touch him. Like he'll growl and snap at you. And I know, like they say, your dog doesn't respect you, but we just made some mistakes when he was a puppy and didn't correct it. Unfortunately, now he's a big dog and he can be an ass sometimes. Hey, yeah, you coming to bed with Daddy? All right, guys, so awake now. Got a couple hours sleep in. Time to finish the sink. Time for some morning coffee. So, too lazy to make a coffee, so we're gonna go get some A&W because we got some coupons.
So everything for trip?
Yes.
Order coupon supply is $9.75. Drive out to the window.
Thank you. 3 breakfast sandwiches and a coffee for $9.75. Not too bad at all. 18.3 liters per 100. For those that don't know, that's about 13 miles per gallon. So I definitely I don't baby this. Yes, my check emission light is back on. Oh, I so need to get another GoPro mount. I can't really drive manual and take videos here. Friggin' rasp. Oh, I hate it. I just want to let off the gas and it not rasp. You gotta stay on the gas lightly to not get the rasp. All these Rams. This is probably why my gas mileage sucks. I drive around like this all the time. Might also rent EcoBoost F-150 just to see, because I haven't driven the EcoBoost 10-speed yet. I've test driven a 5-liter with the 6-speed, and I believe the EcoBoost with the 6-speed, but I haven't tried one with the 10-speed yet. So really want to try one. I already tried the Ram, so just kind of curious. So I might be renting an EcoBoost for a couple days just to see. Not the 2.7, I want the 3.5 if I'm gonna get it. And the Borla attacks actually make that 3.5 EcoBoost sound not too bad. Here I am with the shakiness again. But yeah, anyway, so I know it's not gonna sound as good as a V8, but it'll also be cheaper on gas, and yeah, they're pretty reliable from what I've seen. I just want a truck because I feel like I'll force myself to make money if I had a truck, where it's with the car I can't really make money with a car except YouTube videos. I'm still rocking the intake. I'm gonna put the stock airbox back on until I order my custom cold air intake kit, and then once I customize that, then I will be selling my Takeda and we'll be getting a tune and should be working top notch. Stupid face condom here. Put that on, suffocate yourself. Okay, got the part I needed. Just this, that's all we needed. And some plumber's tape. Hey, Mitcher. don't normally kennel him, but I don't trust him with all the stuff lying around and chemicals and cleaners, and he might chew it up. Yeah, he might chew it all up. Because you can be like that sometimes. Alright, so after everything was installed, could not get the tap to work. But luckily, my uncle does like countertop installations and everything. He told us to unscrew this. And that's what we did, and it was actually clogged in the filter. So, now... Oh yeah! Woohoo! Got running water, no more drippy sink. Now we just gotta go ahead and clean everything up. And that's the end of the sink installation. All new countertops are in. Now for some paint, backsplash, maybe some new light fixtures. Gotta get a new one of those, and some flooring.